Okay, guys. So I told you I put out my advertisement in front of my house with my number on it, right? Well, I get this call from this number, and they ask for my name directly, and the only thing I have on my sign is my phone number and what I do. So I don't know how they get my name, and so the lady kept saying, "Hello, may I speak to my name?" And I'm like, "Hello, who's calling?" Like that. And she wouldn't say nothing. She kept saying, "Hello, hello." So she has my number already. This is calling from a local area code. So I'm going to see if it'll let me call it back. Hopefully you can hear it. Hello?
Hi, this is Patty. How can I help you?
Ma'am, you just called my number asking for a person. Who are you looking
You
for?
there?
And who is this?
Hello?
Who is this? Why are you harassing me and calling my phone number if you're not going to identify yourself? See what I'm saying, guys? So, evidently, I was right when I kept saying there's a perp that keeps coming by my house, walking in front of my house, and it's a white guy with a book bag and a hat. And every time I pull up or pull out of the driveway, he walks by. So evidently, he's camping out somewhere around here and waiting on the opportunity to come by so that I can see him. So if this was a legit person calling asking for me, she would have just identified herself and said why she's calling or where she's calling from. See, these are the tactics that these people use. They are, I feel, in my case, white supremacists or just popos who have been fired off their jobs and got nothing else to do but to harass TIs, targeted individuals, because they want some type of compensation, debit card, um, a new position, a job, or they're trying to be a security um, guard or something like that. They just need another type of income, and they do gang stalking towards other people, citizens of the community, to pretty much blackball them off of jobs so the person can't work, try to defame their character, try to set them up in some kind of illegal activity which the person is not aware of. So really, they're just doing illegal criminal activity, organized stalking, organized criminal activity towards a person. And so I need to go ahead and try to find out who's calling me from this number. So guys, keep your head up. Bye bye.